Good morning, students. Welcome to your online mathematics class. So today we will solve an extra question, and the question is the radii. Okay, it is given the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. Okay, ratio is given. Okay, this is ratio, students, and their heights are in the ratio 5:3. So the ratio of the radii and heights is given. Question is saying calculate the ratio of their volumes and the ratio of the curved surfaces. So there are two things. Calculate the ratio again. Okay, ratio of their volumes and the ratio of the curved surfaces. Okay, students. So in questions like this, okay, so we'll start with the question. Now it is saying ratio. So let the radii be r. Okay, let the radii be capital R. So the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. So it will become now 2r and 3r. Okay, it is not 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter, students. Be careful here. It is saying the radii of two cylinders are in the ratios given to us. Okay, this means it is not saying fixed 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter, saying ratio. So that is why you can write the statement, let the radii of the two cylinders be r. Now according to the question given, ratio will be 2r and 3r, and their heights are in the ratio. So let the height be h, capital H. You can write the statement, let the height be capital H. So the ratio will be 5h and 3h. You have to understand this carefully for students. Okay, let the height. Okay, let the height, okay, be h, and here let the radius. Okay, let the radius, okay, or radii. You can take, let the radii be r. So the ratio is given 2:3, so it will be 2r and 3r, and heights ratio is given to us 5:3. So we will take, let the height be h, so 5h and 3h. Now it is saying calculate the ratio of their volumes, first part. Okay, ratio of their volumes. So that will be V1 and V2. Okay, are you following, students? That will be V1 and V2. Okay, so the question is saying calculate the ratio of the volume. So V1 by V2. Are you following? V1 by V1 by V2 you have to take. So we know volume of a cylinder. Okay, what is volume of a cylinder, students? Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, now if you see carefully, radii we have 2r and 3r. So we will write, you can take this pi, okay, 2r square. Okay, I can take this 2r square h. What is the value of h? 5h. Okay, 5h upon volume of 2. Okay, volume of second cylinder, pi, okay, 3r square, right? And what is the height given to us? 3h. So this pi and this pi will be cancelled. Let me change the ink so it will be easy for you to differentiate. This pi and this pi cancelled. Okay, this h and this h cancelled. So what is left? 4r square into 5 into, this is into, upon 9r square into 3. So this r square and this r square again cancelled. So 5 4s are 20 and 9 3s are 27. Okay, so this is the ratio we are getting, 20 by 27. Okay, in second part, now in second part it is asking the ratio of the curved surface. Okay, this is volume of a cylinder. We know this, students. Okay, keep this in mind. And the ratio of the curved surface. So what is the ratio curved surface area? This formula of curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So same thing, r we will replace by 2r, okay, and 3r, and h we will replace by 5h and 3h. Okay, so CS1 by CS2 ratio, CS1 upon CS2, because there are two cylinders. Okay, so we can write here now 2 pi r. What is the value of r? 2r. What is the value of h? 5h. Okay, upon, okay, 2 pi r. What is the value of r now? 3r into h. What is the h now for second cylinder? Ratio is 3. h. Okay, so same thing, I'll change the thing, it will be easy for you to differentiate now, students. So this 2 pi and this 2 pi cancelled, this r and this r cancelled, this h and h cancelled. What is left? 5 to the 10 and 3 is a 9. So this is the ratio. Okay, 10 by 9, and in the first part it is 20 by 27. So you have to be careful, students, when it is in ratio. Okay, so in these type of questions, see, formula is same, you have to just be careful what is the question asking, and accordingly you will solve. Okay, I hope you have followed. Any doubt or any step is not clear, you can always get back to me, students. Alright, so in this way you will complete this extra question. Okay, now see, students, note I have written, students have to repeat the extra question which I have explained just now, okay, in your register, and complete NCERT exercise 13.5, of which 2 questions were explained during the live class. Okay, I had explained it, and any question you find difficult or any other problem, you can ask me, students. Okay, so study well and be disciplined, students.